All right, just a quick video. We're gonna get ready to go through a waterfall. It's on the trail. We don't have an option. Here we go. Woo! Yeah! Whoa! Put up my sleeve. Should have not held my hand up. Oh, that was great. What do you think, Robert? We're wet now. Robert, heading up. We've put on our micro spikes. We're soaked.
Yeah.
We forgot our gloves. And fortunately, it's actually pretty warm.
Yeah, I kind of gave up on my jacket.
That's what we got left. That's really the ridge. All right, hopefully this isn't too shaky, but this is what we're going up. Whew. I was kind of hoping it would be too icy, that nobody else would be up here, that you'd have to use ropes and technical climbing, but nope, still tons of people. Look at this. Whew. Gorgeous. Whew. Oh, last skinny part. Thank goodness for micro spikes. That's all I gotta say. Crazy thing is we saw some of sandals going up that. Just right there, almost there. Just so you know, I wasn't gonna do any video because I didn't want to edit it. But this is so cool. So cool. Yeah. Whew. Where's the angels? Check this out, guys. It turned in from just a drizzle to now just everything's a waterfall. We're literally just hiking. Look at this. The whole mountain. Just cute waterfalls everywhere. This is awesome. Hey, Robert.
What's up?
Just want to share what our trail has turned into. No longer a trail, but more of a river.
Put the flag.
Yeah. Last obstacle before descending here is this trail fall. It somehow is doubled in size this time. Woo! Here we go. Okay.